20 static GK multiple choice questions. 1. Which country is known as the land of thousand lakes? A. Canada. B. Norway. C. Finland. D. Switzerland. Correct answer, C. Finland. Explanation. Finland is known as the land of thousand lakes because it has approximately 188,000 lakes, more than any other country in the world. 2. The instrument used for measuring the intensity of earthquakes is called A. Barometer. B. Hydrometer. C. Seismograph. D. Thermometer. Correct answer, C. Seismograph. Explanation. A seismograph is an instrument used to detect and record ground motion during an earthquake. The intensity is often measured using the Richter or Mercalli scale. 3. Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest? A. Bachendri Pal. B. Junko Tabei. C. Santosh Yadav. D. Arima Masako. Correct answer, B. Junko Tabei. Explanation. Junko Tabei became the first woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest in 1975. 4. The headquarters of the International Atomic Energy Agency is located in A. New York. B. Geneva. C. Paris. D. Vienna. Correct answer, D. Vienna. Explanation. The IAEA is headquartered in Vienna, Austria. 5. What is the currency of Russia? A. Euro. B. Ruble. C. Yen. D. Dollar. Correct answer, B. Ruble. Explanation. The official currency of the Russian Federation is the ruble. 6. The famous Sun Temple is located in which state of India? A. Karnataka. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Odisha. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, C. Odisha. Explanation. The Sun Temple is located in Konark, Odisha, and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 7. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Correct answer, B. Mars. Explanation. Mars is known as the Red Planet because of its reddish appearance, caused by iron oxide on its surface. 8. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? A. 1757. B. 1764. C. 1761. D. 1751. Correct answer, A. 1757. Explanation. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757 between the Nawab of Bengal and the British East India Company, marking a turning point for British rule in India. 9. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Argon. D. Nitrogen. Correct answer, D. Nitrogen. Explanation. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere, followed by oxygen at about 21%. 10. Bharatnatyam is a classical dance form that originated in A. Kerala. B. Karnataka. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, D. Tamil Nadu. Explanation. Bharatnatyam is one of the oldest classical dance traditions of India, originating in the temples and courts of Tamil Nadu. 11. The world's largest non-polar desert is A. Sahara Desert. B. Arabian Desert. C. Gobi Desert. D. Australian Desert. Correct answer, A. Sahara Desert. Explanation. The Sahara Desert in North Africa is the world's largest hot desert and the largest non-polar desert overall. 12. The term third eye is associated with which sport? A. Football. B. Cricket. C. Tennis. D. Basketball. Correct answer, B. Cricket. Explanation. The third I refers to the use of an umpire referral system and technological aids in cricket to make accurate decisions. 13. Which metal is the primary component of stainless steel? A. Copper. B. Aluminium. C. Iron. D. Zinc. Correct answer, C. Iron. Explanation. Stainless steel is primarily an iron alloy with a minimum of 10.5% chromium, which provides corrosion resistance. 14. Who is the author of the book War and Peace? A. Leo Tolstoy. B. Fyodor Dostoevsky. C. Anton Chekhov. D. Ivan Turgenev. Correct answer, A. Leo Tolstoy. Explanation. War and Peace is a monumental work of fiction by the Russian author Leo Tolstoy, first published in 1869. 15. Where is the Suez Canal located? A. Panama. B. Egypt. C. Turkey. D. India. Correct answer, B. Egypt. Explanation. The Suez Canal is an artificial sea-level waterway in Egypt, connecting the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. 16. What is the minimum age required to become the President of India? A. 25 years. B. 30 years. C. 35 years. D. 40 years. Correct answer, C. 35 years. Explanation. As per Article 58 of the Indian Constitution, a person must have completed the age of 35 years to be eligible for election as president. 17. The acronym SSC stands for A. South Asian Association for Agricultural Research Cooperation. B. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. C. South Asian Academy of Research and Culture. D. South Asian Alliance for Reform and Change. Correct answer, B. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Explanation. SSC is the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, an economic and political organization of 8 countries in South Asia. 18. Which gas is responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Sulfur dioxide. C. Chlorofluorocarbons. D. Methane. Correct answer, C. Chlorofluorocarbons. Explanation. Chlorofluorocarbons are the primary chemical agents responsible for the breakdown and depletion of the Earth's protective ozone layer. 19. The world's highest waterfall, Angel Falls, is located in A. Canada. B. New Zealand. C. Venezuela. D. Brazil. Correct answer, C. Venezuela. Explanation. Angel Falls, the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, is located in the Canaima National Park, Venezuela. 20. The first session of the Indian National Congress was held in A. Calcutta. B. Bombay. C. Madras. D. Lahore. Correct answer, B. Bombay.